Hey, what's up guys? In this video, in this live stream, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pretty much just okay, so recently I did some observations on my data. Okay, what I realized, okay, all this data, right, I can pretty much just automate backtesting. So keep in mind, I'm gonna do this in like a very self-explanatory way, so that way it's easier. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to use a combo of different AI models. So let's say, for example, okay, so let's say GPT, right? Sorry, I just have to get some music in here. So it's like 3 a.m. right now, but yeah, do some research and tell me, and give me a CSV with Euro USD opening and closing prices. Okay. So what we're gonna do here is I'm going to use this, okay? So I'm gonna use okay, so Stooks. So just grab this real quick. Stook. If I can grab the CSV file, download data in CSV file. So I'm going to download this file. Okay, there we go. Download data. Okay, so I'm just gonna save this file. So what I'm gonna do here is, so obviously we have man, it's just one record. Can I just like filter this? I think this is like, I don't know. Can you pull the data for me from the start of 2025 until the 24th of Feb 2025. Okay, let's say the 21st. Okay, so now I'm going to grab this into a CSV file. So if I can just like filter this out, and let's say 10 days, no, 1 month. Okay, let's do 3 months, okay? And let's download this. Download this. So, bruh, are you kidding me? It just gives me one record. Oh wait, it's one. Right. I mean, it's 3 months, right? So I don't know why it's not working, but anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, okay, so these are the different rates. Can you give it to me in a CSV file? It's easier, right? So let me just grab this. I'm going to do something here. Okay, so I'm gonna make this in a way that I can show you guys how to do this as well as I'm figuring things out. So let's say euro.py, and I'm going to download the CSV file. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna drag and drop this. Okay, so I'll just call it euro.csv. This is all the opening and closing prices. So what I want this to do is create me a Python script that uses 15-minute supply and demand order blocks, and test the accuracy of how good it performs, and give me a win rate too. Let's see how well this does. A 15-minute supply, there we go. So this is obviously order blocks on the 15-minute time frame. So we're gonna copy and paste this. Can't be us like, you know, going through all this, right? So I'm going to load the CSV file. Okay, it seems like it's just sort of manually printing all this. Yeah, it's fucking printing this all. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this, I'm gonna paste this here, and once I get this running, I can see the total trades, wins, losses, win rate, etc. So as you can see, we have win rate of 0%, so obviously we don't have any wins. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to Seems to have grabbed. So it's a 0% win rate. Okay, so let me try Claude. So let's give these same sort of requirements. Create me a Python script. We give it the CSV file as well. Can I just drag and drop this? Okay. 1 euro USD. Test the accuracy of it and see how good it performs as well. We the win rate too, and performance overall. So let's see how well this performs. Okay, so now so let me just copy this and we paste it here, and okay, so now it's running. So obviously we have the so we have a 0% accuracy once again. So okay, so we seem to okay. So instead of the read limit, I'm going to make it. I already have these packages, I'm pretty sure, so I'm gonna just double check. Okay, I'm pretty sure I already have them, so let me just run this again. Okay, this is not working, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the CSV file and I'm going to drag and drop this here. Okay, it's not pasting this file, so can I just like paste this here? Create it for this script specifically. Let me try it. See if this works. I want to like see. I want to see like what the capabilities of AI are, because I don't think it's quite there yet. I mean, unless you're having quants inside like fucking resonance or some shit. No, resonance. What was it? Reconnaissance. Is it? Not resonance. Race. I don't know. The quant firm, basically. Because I'm not a quant, so can't fucking deal with the math. Okay, so it seems like pandas is no attribute. So I'm going to go to this and string, so to string. I think that's a method. Will that work? No. You give it back. Fuck. Fuck. Come on, stop. Stop it. Stop it. Copy. Paste it again. Maybe paste it again. And let me grab this. Let's see. Okay. Loading part of the script. Interesting. So we should have so let's give it some time. Okay, so let's see if we can get this to run. So it's obviously not working for some reason. Okay, so let's say for example, analyze this data. It's in a CSV file called euro.csv. Create biased prediction model for this by analyzing this data. Python. Let's try giving the same command to Claude. Okay. So let's say euro 1.pi. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to euro 2. I just call it euro cloud.pi. Euro, what was it? Euro quen.pi. So quen, let's see if quen does a better job. So let's see, let's copy. And let's paste. Let's run. See what the accuracy is. Okay, but what's the accuracy of this? Okay, it's not that bad. So it's pretty good, huh? Square error, okay. So it's pretty fucking good. Close to 62%. Was it 62% or 6.2%? Oh, no, I'm tripping. Hold on. Okay, anyways. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna test out the Claude script. So let's see if Claude script is better. So let me just run this. Okay, so it seems like we need a model. Okay, let me just copy, paste, run. Yep, it's downloading XGBoost. So let's see if this is better. So it's downloading about 125 MB. It's okay. Let me just run this real quick. Oh fuck. My bad, my bad. I fucked up. So we'll have to give it some time. So let's give it the same thing to GPT. I want to see how it performs. Copy. Copy, and let me paste this here. Let's see if it generates like a script. How good the script is gonna be, and shit in between as well. So what I'm gonna do next is this is not working for some reason, so obviously I'm gonna give it some time. Yeah, but it's not about the fucking CSV file. You can download the... Yeah, but this is exactly where it... Okay, so please upload your CSV file, analyze it. Okay. Copy that. Fuck. Get off my dick. Come on. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is run this script. Okay, so it seems like we have the closing prices, right? So these are just the closing prices. Obviously, there's no model here. Actual predicted prices. So the predicted price is obviously like lower, and the accuracy is like way less. Fuck, this is dog shit. Yeah, man, this is fucking dog shit. Let me just copy. Let me try. Oh, GPT. That's high. Let me try running this. What in the fuck is this? Opening closing price, right? There's no opening price whatsoever. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't think GPT's one. So I think overall, Quentin's one is probably the best. No, Quentin's one is dog shit. What about Claude? Predicted price? Where the fuck is the actual price? R2 score. Zero error? That's gotta be fucking bullshit. Let me do something here. Can't be asked to go through all of this. What does this mean? Right, so we have 0.2. It's still, which, yeah, right, so indicating more error compared to the other, which is also low, indicating decent accuracy. So we have no error on linear regression, which means you model perfectly, right? So, right, so perfectly, right. So we have, so linear regression is pretty much, right. So that's the, right. Okay, cool. Right, so pretty much linear regression is like what works here. So that's what they're saying. So we just run this again, and I don't see the actual prices though. That's the problem. I don't see the actual prices here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say I don't see the actual prices in when the graph is plotted though. Right. Fine. Anyways, so as far as so let's also try. This was Claude, wasn't it? Was it Claude? Okay, this is 0.2. Okay, so this says 0. Let's try Qwen. Okay, so Qwen is obviously, it's not good. Yeah, I don't think there's a standard deviation. Okay. Right. Right. So it's pretty low, but no, it's not low. No, it's not too high, but it's kind of like in the middle. Because you need to get the accuracy as low as possible. Like as low as possible. So I think Qwen is probably the best model when it comes to these stuff. Okay, so this is the closing prices over time. Uh, this is fucking dog shit. Yeah, so accuracy wise, I think it's fucked up. Yeah, it's fucked up. Look at that. It's predicting lower prices. So let me just call it, because it's predicting lower prices. It's not good. But my dad had like a really good model though. I think let me pull that shit up. Let me fuck. Let me pull that up real quick. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have that file anymore, but that prediction model was like really fucking good. It was like really fucking good. Let me try to pull that up. I'm tired, dude. Yeah. Files. Oh, it was for Apple stock. Apple stock Google file. This fucking thing. Let me show y'all. This fucking thing. Fire on this. Come on, run it. Run it back turbo. Let me. Okay, there seems to be a problem here, but what I'm gonna do next is probably run this. Oh, come on now, dude. My head hurts. It's a problem. Oh, it's probably because of this. Okay, I get it. Let me grab this file real quick. Let me actually hold up. Let me open this file properly. I'll drag and drop this here and I'll drag and drop this here. That should do the job. Let's do dot slash. That should do the job, I think. I should run it, I think. It's running. So that's good. I have these packages, I know that for a fact. If I can get one of these models to run properly though. This is for Apple stock. Oh no. Call it what the fuck, just in case. I'll lose, I mean, just in case I lose the keep checking. So, I have the file here, right? This is the file. And it's not running for some fucking reason. And I hate my life because of it. It's not working, so fuck this. Let me try something else. No, should be this file. But I remember this doesn't really run though. Google. No, Jupyter Notebook. There we go. Jupyter Notebook. So if I can simply import this real quick. Jupyter Lab. So obviously we have these different stuff. So let's just call it. Let me grab this file and let me just import it. Can I import it? Let me grab and drop this in here. Copy, paste. Doesn't quite paste though, that's the problem. There we go. Also drag and drop this. Yeah, it's in the same directory, so from there I think we should just run this. What the fuck is this? Okay, but if I run this, if I can get this to run, then that would fix a lot of my problems right now. Why can't I get this to run? Oh. Fucking hate this. Yeah, I don't think I can predict this right now, dude. Because I mean, linear regression model, but like it's fucked up. Because like, see when I run this, it's like, the error is like, I mean, sure, like it says 0 linear regression error. Where was it? Where the fuck even was it? Was it this or was it Claude? I know GPT's model was dog shit. It was Claude, so Claude, right? Linear regression model, so let's say actual data is not plot. Let's give it one last chance to fix things up. Otherwise it's a waste of time. I'm going back to learning cloud engineering. Copy, paste this here. Boom. There we go. So these are the actual prices. This is the predicted price, which seems to be, you know, pretty accurate because it's going with the line, right? As you can see. So say Claude model. Okay, so this is obviously the price analysis across the actual prices and then the predicted prices. So let me close this, and we have training days 23, testing days 6 days, total trading days analyzed 29 days, zero error, which is pretty good. Best model is linear regression. So yeah, so linear regression seems to be the best model for this. But so overall it went with it, but then like it started here. This is my only problem. Like, why is it only starting here? Like, why is it specifically here? Oh wait, it's probably because of the training days. Because it said 23 training days and it's 6 testing days. So it makes sense because the CSV file starts from the 1st of January, so that's 29 testing days and 23 testing days and 6 training testing 23 testing training days and 6 testing days. So that's why this model is so accurate, I guess. And how long do we have? Okay, so this is 21 days, right? 23 days out of this. Okay, so that's a total of 30 days that we've observed over. Okay, that makes sense, I guess. So yeah, 22. So that 22, that was the 22nd. So go on TradingView. Let's go to your USD and let's do GU. Okay, so 22 was right here. Not 22. 22 is not no such thing as 22, but let's say 24. Okay, 104.65. So 104.65. Right. So it makes sense because okay, let me draw a line across 104.65. Was it 104.65? So let's say 104.65. 104.65 right here. It makes sense because we had what a SMT like we will push towards this and then we will push away from it. So we'll sort of push back and then pull back and then go over. But as far as SMT divergence goes, it's obviously like we see the huge divergence here with EGU. So we have a huge divergence here and we're now selling back, right? So we have this what do you call that? Fair value gap being held. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, you can see that forming right here. We have a massive change of character. We have the SMT divergence right here, right? So this high is getting taken out by London session. We have that pullback towards after this change of character. We have this pullback towards this fair value gap, order block, if you may call it, and then it sells right after. So as far as trade validation goes, this is obviously you know, a valid bias in that sense. As you can see, we have the change of character, we have the pullback towards this order block, hold in this level, and then it's pulling away if you hold. If you consider 2 kind of rejections, for example. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. So if we have a 15-minute change of character, not quite, but we do have this, so we'll pull back here. No, not quite. It won't pull back anymore because we had the 2 kind of rejection. So now I'm expecting price to literally continue dumping over here up to this point, this point right here. It will continue dumping because this divergence took out the highs, so there's no more highs to get taken out. I mean, there are, but it's not, you know. Oh wait, no, I'm getting something wrong here. Because we took out these highs, right? Because we took out these highs, even though, right, we were going a little lower, doesn't exactly mean, because we don't have a change of character. We don't have one of these, so because we don't have one of these, right? I would still expect price to just pull back here to this fair value gap and then dip away. So I'm expecting price to do. So price will pull back just for our fair value gap and dip away. Price will pull back here and then dip away. So fair value gap and then dip. So let's say 15-minute time frame. And it seems like we have breaker structures towards the downside. And then we have a breaker structure change of character towards the upside, and then hold fair value gap and then dip to the upside once again. Okay. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to refine my models. Right now it seems like it doesn't seem pretty accurate. We don't have any folder news specifically. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna go study.